Hey gang, Rocket Meter Nerds here to teach you how to use your 30-second leak test kit. Now the first thing you should know is that all around the country at every water treatment plant, utility providers put a tiny trace amount of chlorine in their water to make it safe for drinking and sanitize it. Now, by the time this water is pumped to us, there's still a small amount of chlorine inside of that water. So we use this kit to detect a tiny amount of chlorine that's still in the water. So what you'll do first is take out a test strip, make sure that the two little squares are at the end. These are the testing parts. Now, wave it around in the water for about 30 seconds. After we've done that, we'll be able to see a very quick reaction. Once you're done, wait a few seconds and compare the test strip with the legend in the back of the packet. So this water we just tested was positive for total and free chlorine. You can slide this over and see that we're about 1 part per million of chlorine for total chlorine and a little bit less for free chlorine. So this tells me that this water is pretty fresh and it's definitely from the potable water supply and is most definitely a leak right here in the irrigation. If you have any hint of purple on your test strip, that's positive for chlorine and you may have a leak. If you need help, call Meter Nerds. We'll help you get your utility costs under control. We'll put in proactive meters in place to help you track leaks and get notified quicker. Note that most chlorine tests are designed for testing pools and other sanitized water. This test is much more sensitive and is designed to detect even the smallest amount of chlorine still in the water. Your typical pool water test is not going to detect the small amounts of chlorine that are in the drinking water. It's designed for much higher amounts of chlorine. So this is one of the only tests that actually works for potable water that's coming from the ground.